Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of something you may not have heard of before, clove water. While cloves are often used as a spice, they offer so much more than just flavor. Clove water, a simple infusion of cloves and water, has a range of health benefits that can improve everything from your immune system to your skin health. If you're ready to discover the magic of this underrated drink, stay tuned as we explore the top 15 amazing benefits of clove water. Clove water has strong anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great natural remedy for conditions associated with inflammation, such as arthritis, joint pain, or even muscle soreness. The compounds in cloves inhibit the production of certain enzymes that contribute to inflammation, reducing pain and swelling in the affected areas. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain or just recovering from a tough workout, drinking clove water can help manage inflammation and promote faster healing. If you've ever had a toothache, you know how excruciating it can be. Fortunately, clove water can help alleviate that pain. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a natural anesthetic that can numb pain and reduce inflammation. If you're suffering from a toothache or swollen gums, swishing clove water in your mouth can provide instant relief. The antimicrobial properties of cloves also help fight bacteria in the mouth, improving overall oral hygiene and preventing infections. It's a natural solution for dental discomfort that doesn't involve harsh chemicals. Clove water can also assist with weight loss. The compounds in cloves stimulate your metabolism, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Drinking clove water regularly can increase thermogenesis, the process by which your body generates heat and burns calories. Additionally, cloves help regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent cravings and promote a balanced appetite. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, adding clove water to your diet might help you achieve your goals more effectively. One of the most remarkable benefits of clove water is its ability to strengthen the immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can contribute to inflammation and disease, so by reducing their effects, clove water supports the immune system's ability to fend off illness. Regular consumption of clove water can enhance your body's defenses, making you less susceptible to infections like colds, flu, and more serious conditions. It's like giving your immune system a natural boost every day. For women who suffer from menstrual cramps, clove water can be a natural remedy to reduce pain and discomfort. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves help soothe muscle spasms and reduce the severity of cramps. Cloves also have a mild analgesic effect, providing pain relief without the need for over-the-counter medication. Additionally, clove water can help balance hormone levels, which can alleviate mood swings and other PMS-related symptoms. Clove water has strong anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great natural remedy for conditions associated with inflammation, such as arthritis, joint pain, or even muscle soreness. The compounds in cloves inhibit the production of certain enzymes that contribute to inflammation, reducing pain and swelling in the affected areas. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain or just recovering from a tough workout, drinking clove water can help manage inflammation and promote faster healing. Clove water is a powerful detoxifying agent. The compounds in cloves support liver and kidney function, helping these organs process and eliminate toxins from the body more efficiently. Regular consumption of clove water can help cleanse your system, reduce bloating, and improve the health of your internal organs. By flushing out harmful substances, clove water keeps your body running smoothly and reduces the burden on your detoxification organs, promoting overall health and vitality. The powerful antioxidants in cloves aren't just good for your body, they're also beneficial for your brain. Clove water can help improve cognitive function by reducing oxidative stress in the brain, which is linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Drinking clove water regularly may enhance memory, focus, and mental clarity, while also protecting the brain from long-term damage. For better brain health and sharper cognitive abilities, clove water is a great choice. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body and processing harmful substances, and clove water can give it a helping hand. Cloves contain antioxidants that protect the liver from oxidative damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Drinking clove water may help improve liver function and support detoxification by stimulating the production of bile, which aids in breaking down fats and toxins. Over time, clove water can help keep your liver healthy and functioning properly, making it easier for your body to process and eliminate waste. Clove water is an excellent remedy for respiratory problems such as coughing, asthma, and bronchitis. Cloves have natural expectorant properties, which means they help loosen mucus in the airways, making it easier to breathe. If you're dealing with a cold or respiratory infection, clove water can help clear up congestion and reduce coughing. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cloves also help soothe irritated airways, making it easier to breathe and improving overall respiratory health. Clove water doesn't just benefit your insides, it can also work wonders on your skin. The antibacterial and antimicrobial properties of cloves make them effective at fighting off acne-causing bacteria. Drinking clove water regularly can help clear up skin issues like acne, pimples, and blemishes, and improve your complexion. Additionally, the antioxidants in cloves fight free radicals that contribute to aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. So, if you're looking for a natural way to promote clear, glowing skin, clove water should be on your radar. Clove water has strong antifungal properties, making it effective for treating fungal infections like athlete's foot, ringworm, and yeast infections. The compounds in cloves inhibit the growth of fungi, helping to reduce symptoms and promote healing. You can drink clove water for internal benefits, or apply it topically to the affected area for faster relief. Its natural antifungal action makes it a safe, chemical-free option for combating fungal infections. Bad breath, or halitosis, can be caused by bacteria in the mouth. Fortunately, clove water has antimicrobial properties that help kill the bacteria responsible for bad breath. Swishing clove water in your mouth can help freshen your breath and improve your overall oral hygiene. The soothing nature of clove water also helps with dry mouth, which is often a contributor to bad breath. If you're looking for a natural way to keep your breath fresh, clove water is a great solution, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can contribute to inflammation and disease, so by reducing their effects, clove water supports the immune system's ability to fend off illness. Regular consumption of clove water can enhance your body's defenses, making you less susceptible to infections like colds, flu, and more serious conditions. It's like giving your immune system a natural boost every day. And that's it for the amazing health benefits of clove water. From boosting immunity to improving digestion, this simple yet powerful drink can be a game changer for your well-being. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.